right, set that beam down right there carefully. Watch the rebar. Copy that, moving to the next section now. Crane, hold position at grid 4. Copy that, holding.
Cross-referencing the seismic data with the gravity gradient, this anomaly clearly indicates a significant reservoir trap.
Yes, the saturation levels look promising. Let's confirm the coordinates.
Zoom in on that deep reservoir structure. The morphology looks promising.
Agreed. The volume estimation just increased significantly.
There it is. Confirmed reserves, over 1 billion barrels.
This is a game changer for the company.
The porosity levels are incredible at this depth. This is a game changer for the entire industry.
Bring it down easy, just a little to the left. All right, set it.
Check the upstream pressure reading. It seems high. I see it. Let me adjust the valve slightly.
Deep beneath the Earth's surface, the massive drill bites through the final layer, tapping into the ancient oil reserve. As the drill breaks through the final layer, the pressurized crude oil begins to flow, confirming the presence of the underground reservoir.
All right, slowly open the red valve to increase the flow. Watch the gauge closely. Opening it now, Supervisor. Pressure is stabilizing.
Check the pressure on manifold 3. We're showing a slight fluctuation.
Confirmed. I'll have the flow rate adjusted immediately.
The pressure on separator 3 is holding steady at the upper limit.
The flow rate data confirms that, but look at the water cut trend here. The separation process relies on different boiling points. Heavier fuels condense lower down, while lighter products like gasoline rise to the top. This massive fractionation tower is the heart of the refinery, processing thousands of barrels of crude oil every day.
Advanced refining equipment, converting heavy oil into useful fuel products.
Advanced hydrocracking units are essential for converting the viscous residue into high-value products like gasoline and diesel. The octane readings on this batch seem slightly elevated.
Yes, but the chromatography profile matches the standard. It's within the acceptable variance.
The chromatogram shows consistent peaks across all samples. And the density reading confirms the API gravity is stable. A global network ensures that the journey from the distant oil field to this very pump happens seamlessly every single day.